Today I will teach you to make a rice with milk with the Thermomix. Let's go! The tools we will need to make the dessert are the Thermomix, spoon, and small recipients to add the rice with milk. I show you the basic ingredients that we will use are rice, milk, cinnamon stick like this, cinnamon powder. These are all the basic ingredients to make the rice with milk, but if you want to add more ingredients, they will be optional. For example, lemon or orange strips, butter, or a little bit of salt. We start to cook. Don't forget to wash your hands. First of all, we activate the Thermomix. Then we add in this Thermomix recipient a liter of half of milk, after that we put 200 grams of rice. Perfect. And we had a 1 cinnamon stick. When we have the ingredients added in the recipient, we will program it 45 minutes at the temperature of 19 and the speed 1. After 45 minutes, we had 118 grams of sugar for 10 minutes with the same speed. Then I put the 118 grams of sugar. With the spoon. That. As I said before, we will put 10 minutes at the same speed. After this 10 minutes, this is the result. Then with the spoon, I put in small recipients. Then put the cinnamon powder on the top of the rice with milk. Like this. If you prefer, put the rice with milk in a big recipient. And then put cinnamon powder, like this. Then we will put the small recipient and the big recipient in the fridge for 8 hours. We will have it ready for it. Delicious! This dessert, do it when you can. It is very easy to do and with few ingredients. Hi Sandra, I hope you like it, this dessert. Bye bye!